Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Marciella. Thank you so much for always coming back to check on me. Today I'm sharing with you how we make our staple food. In this case I'm using sorghum. You get your sorghum like that, you winnow it, then after that you fry it a bit. After frying, you mix it in dry cassava. After mixing it in dry cassava, they mill it. After milling, you're ready to mingle. In this case, you get some small fire. You don't put too much fire, because if you put too much fire, it will get burnt. Yes. You make sure it gets ready, very neat and clean. Yes. It you can always see it when it's burning, and you remove. Guys, come we mingle. It's already ready. We mingle. Mingling color is very easy, by the way, and it gets ready very fast. Enjoy mingling it more than posho. You make sure your water boils very, very well, because if it doesn't boil very well, this color cannot get ready. Yeah, you can see. Thank you so much, guys, for reaching this far. Come enjoy this energetic food. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Give a thumb up to this video. Leave a comment. How do you prepare your local food? By the way, how do you call this in your local language?